Hi everyone, I'm Sidra Zahid here from the Awareness Department at KDSP. And for all those who don't know, the Karachi Down Syndrome Program is an organization that works at all aspects for individuals with Down syndrome. Our mission and vision is, for their value and acceptance in society. So again, this is a very frequent statement that we come across. ठीक है, and it is a myth because children with Down syndrome can attend mainstream schools. ठीक है, and so why do people, think of this statement? When people look at individuals with Down syndrome, उनको एक वो, मतलब अलग, they see them as something different, right? तो उनको बिल्कुल कोई अलग चीज लगती है या स्पेशल बच्चा है तो. And so immediately they don't want to mix individuals with Down syndrome, with other typical children. एक बहुत कॉमन उनका थॉट होता है कि मेरे बच्चे को भी लग जाएगा ये. But Down syndrome is not contagious. It's not a disease. It's a genetic condition. ठीक है, and a person is born with it. It occurs randomly. It can't be changed. ठीक है, so there's no way कि वो ट्रांसफर होगा या किसी और को लग सकता है. Let's get that off the table as well while we're at it. Then second of all, we've actually seen is studying in an inclusive environment where typical individuals are mixed with individuals with disabilities or individuals with Down syndrome is actually beneficial for the both of them, right? Because, so for example, you just mentioned that you've come across individuals with Down syndrome. So can you tell me a little bit in your experience, how do you think that has shaped you? Or how do you now view them, or when you come across them, how do you think has that contributed to you even?
Yeah, so it's more along the lines of you know us having been exposed with how Down syndrome is and how the people with individuals with Down syndrome behave or act. And when you actually get to meet somebody with Down syndrome, that's completely not the case. So it's really taught me as an individual to not judge people immediately on the basis of uh, common grounds or myths or misconceptions, which is why I actually really wanted to do this session as well. Yeah, that is
Yeah.
what's helped what how it's
No,
helped.
yeah. Yeah, no, that's great. Like, I mean, if I were to summarize it, it's turned you into like a more understanding and compassionate person, right? And you can now interact with multiple different individuals and individuals with different abilities. So in the same way, we feel like the earliest you can start integrating children, because children are so non-judgmental, right? Children are very honest and open in their interactions. So it's like wonderful for them to have these different experiences, because then they'll grow up and they'll have more inclusive and more empathic ideas about other individuals, okay, and about people who are different to them. Similarly, with individuals with Down syndrome, एक तो they're also visual learners, ठीक है, तो उनको देख के वो सीख सकते हैं. So once they see somebody in a typical setting, doing things like maybe writing or participating in activities or something, so that's very beneficial for their growth and their learning as well, ठीक है, because they'll be able to see other children doing these things, and it's beneficial to them in the end, because then they'll be motivated and they can also like do these things. Okay. And again, because once you mix them, we don't believe in institutionalization or specific special education, because we believe that this is like very good for their progress.
Yeah, so essentially it's more valuable for them to be in mainstream schools, because being visual learners, they'll see other kids doing certain things and they just learn or build their learnings on that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's
Yeah.
extremely valuable for them to be on
Yeah.
mainstream schools, and it helps us helps
Yeah.
other individuals to develop an understanding and not base a judgment on what the general society has labeled people as. So yeah,
Exactly.
fantastic, fantastic, fantastic.